Do you know how to customize a coil slitting machine? Step 1. Confirm the production drawings. Based on the customer's production requirements, such as speed, configuration, metal type, etc. Step 2. Manufacturing and processing. Utilize various mechanical and CNC processing methods, such as CNC milling, CNC turning, and mechanical processing techniques like turning, grinding, etc., to manufacture and assemble parts. These processes ensure the excellent quality and long service life of the slitting line. Step 3. Machine commissioning. After assembly is complete, workers test various components of the production line, including operational flexibility, stability, production speed, etc., performing a series of tests and adjustments. Step 4. Product quality inspection. Once the machine has been successfully commissioned, conduct slitting quality tests on the coiled materials. Ensure that the slitting is accurate and free of errors before packing and shipping the product. KINGREAL has extensive experience in coil slitting machine customization, earning consistent praise and recognition from clients, and has established various project sites worldwide. Welcome to Choose KINGREAL.